Hello everyone, quick update on 2015 Infiniti seatbelts. So those are very sensitive parts, so it doesn't come off. It's kind of luck. I get these from junkyard. So if this has little angles, it doesn't comes, and if you arrange it like very precise, it has to be like that. And as you see, it moves. So this is how these seat belts work. Right now it is impossible to take it because it is locked. So I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna install the connector. We'll be good to go.